Vlogger, retired teacher, teacher being Erlina being Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Dusit Davao Hotel, one of the famous, remarkable, excellent hotel here in the life is here. And I would just like to show you the inside of Hotel Dusit Hotel. Me and my co-Davaoeño and co-Langireños are here waiting for the star for all seasons, Vilma Santos. So it's a nice spot for beauty perfect like weddings, like birthdays. This is the beautiful, perfect spot, just like that. Hi, mabuhay, wedding.
Hello, mabuhay.
Yeah, mabuhay, mabuhay channel. Yeah, the groom. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and mabuhay. So yeah, you just have their pictorials a while ago. And the bride is still hidden. So wonderful Dusit Hotel with overflowing water, the swimming pool here. We will have another pictorials. So yeah, advance.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations, sir. Perfect spot. Uninvited press conference. Yeah, so the press conference will be held here December 14, 2024 at 12 o'clock in Dusit Hotel. Uninvited press conference. And with the help of Nonoy Rini Novesteros, I was able to have my gift pass that I will be able to join the group here in Dusit Hotel. We are only few here, the chosen one as Bilmanian Fans Club. I will share you also the part of the hotel wherein blessed with koi. Yeah. Wow, amazing koi. There's a saying that if you have this koi fish in your house, in your residence, then blessing will overflow. Have a glimpse of the koi here in Dusit Hotel. Wow, I love the color. My favorite color, red one. Amazing. I love it. Koi are symbols of blessings. Really, it's an exciting day today that I'm one of the chosen one to welcome our Vilma Santos Recto. My acknowledgement and appreciation to Nonoy Rini Novesteros for including me on the VIP, yeah, including the Kaisano Mall this afternoon. So press conference will be held here in a few minutes. The arrival of ATV. Glimpses, captured episodes of Dusit Tani Hotel, Davao City. Really, it's a big hotel. Very terrific, excellent. I'm your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlina being Basilio Rindon. Here in Davao City, Dusit Hotel. Until my next vlog. Thank you everyone. Kamabuhay and kamabuhayers. Thank you. Mabuhay!